Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Anita, at Anita M2158. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Diana Venisroy. I hope I said that right. Our theme was recreating one of her manis. Today I'm using the Painted Desert Medium Square Natural Nail Tips, and I've got on the IMK Bio Base. It's a sticky base. This is Spellbound by Sinful Colors. Very pretty. Beautiful purple shimmery polish. So I'm putting these over, like I said, the base is already on there, a sticky base, just to give it something to hang on to. We're going to do some coats of this real quick. There goes one coat, and now we'll do a second one. It's been a really long time since I played with any of my Sinful Colors. I was really happy to be able to pull this one out to play today. I'm going to top it with INM Out the Door. Going to get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. Get that all nice and on there, nice and smooth. Cap my free edge and then go backwards because I can, because it's on the nail tip. I will be putting these on my nails in a little bit. BPL 041 and Maniology Violet Waves and Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout. So we're doing a plaid mani. If that's not obvious already. I'm doing a plaid mani using my favorite purple stamping polish and my favorite white polish that I also use for stamping. So we're going to get these all stamped up, and that way I can get them dried down, and I'll put them on my nails here in just a little bit. I do hope Miss Anita has a wonderful birthday. And if you would like to go check out the other ladies that participated, there should be some hashtags and links and list of participants down below. So we did the light purple base, dark purple stamping, and white stamping. And that's what her manicure looked way better than mine, but I tried. I still think it turned out good. Getting all my mess cleaned up here. Get my stuff cleaned up so I can put it away. There we go. I'm going to top these all with the smudge-free top coat. And once that's dry, I'll be going over them with some Sèche Vite. It's a glossy fast dry top coat. I still think that turned out cute. And here we go. I've got on one of the little nail glue tabs, and we're going to mush that on there. Mush it, mush it, mush it. And then here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.